Hello, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I have an unboxing. It's been a while since I've done an unboxing, so I'm excited for this one. I actually have two things, kind of. So I have an iPad that I've already unboxed because I got this for work and I needed to do work stuff on it. I didn't have time to film the unboxing for that, so I had to do that without filming it. So I am not that into iPads, to be honest. I am content with the technology that I have, so just my phone and my laptop, Apple Watch, all good for me. I wasn't really into iPads, but I needed it for work, so now we have one here. This is an iPad Pro, I believe from 2021. It's iPad Pro 3, so it's a little outdated now. I know they have the new M2 iPads. That's all I really know about this. And then here we have the Magic Keyboard with the trackpad. And I was very surprised when I found out this trackpad was like $300. Thankfully, I did not pay for it. Once again, work paid for it. But like $300 for a keyboard is insane. I think the iPad itself was around $600. So then this on top of that is just basically paying for a brand new laptop because that's around $1,000. And that's just crazy to me. So here we are with the Magic Keyboard. And like I said last time when I was unboxing my AirPods, opening anything from Apple really stresses me out. But here we go. Very sturdy. Why is it? It's like stuck. Or it's like this. Maybe I should read how to set this up. I do appreciate the simplicity here because I don't read manuals ever. So this is what I needed. Now let's try to piece this together. Oh, easy. Okay, so it fits like that. Does it hang off like this? Is that normal? I guess you close it like that. That makes this a lot sturdier. Because honestly, the iPad itself is like super flimsy. Like, I don't know, it does not feel like it's $500 worth. But this itself is like pretty heavy. There's that. It's really sleek. I do love the matte. I've talked about this before. Matte is the way to go. But honestly, this case makes this really heavy. So I'm kind of glad that the iPad itself isn't too heavy, because if they both were heavy, then this would be really heavy. Okay, so I did end up weighing these, but I had to do it on a flat surface. And the iPad itself was 508 grams. And then the case was 602 grams, which I think is weird because I would think that the case / keyboard would weigh less than the iPad itself, but it weighs quite a bit more. So there's that. And now we can set up my keyboard because I don't know how to do this. I haven't watched a lot of videos about setting up iPads either, so bear with me here while I try to figure out how to set this up. Oh, I did not want to do that. I think Bluetooth. Oh wait, it already works. Huh. Oh sweet. Okay, so I don't need to set anything up, it just works. Well, that just made this video a lot simpler than I thought it would. This is a test. Oh. Scrolls very easily, functions just like my laptop does. I guess my one issue with this is I kind of don't like, first off, I don't really like the gap here. I feel like I want it to touch here. I know, oh, okay, maybe that's easier to fall off than I initially thought. Yeah, I don't know, I feel like I would want it to touch, but also I guess for like my neck, it's probably better that it's angled. And then also, I feel like this is really small, the trackpad. It's kind of fine for me because I have smaller hands, but imagine people with bigger hands might have a bit of friction. That is my first impression so far. I'm curious if I just close this and my iPad's on, if it'll turn off or if it'll stay on. I heard it click, which means it turned off. So that is all for this video. Thanks for watching me unbox my Magic Keyboard and set up my iPad with it. But thank you for bearing with my not great iPad knowledge. Hopefully this was interesting for some of you all. If you have specific questions about the iPad, I am happy to answer more of those. Just leave that in the comments below. I am gonna start getting more familiar with this and we'll hopefully have a more comprehensive review about what I think. If you have any recommendations of apps that you can't live without that you use on your iPad, please let me know because all of this is brand new to me and I'm excited to use this and I want to make the most out of having an iPad because I feel like I'm already so in routine with my iPhone and my laptop, but I want to incorporate this into my daily life. For now, this is all for this unboxing video and yeah, hope to see you in the next one.